COVID-19 scams. There's a lot of uncertainty around the COVID-19 pandemic, and the scammers are capitalizing on this to trick people out of their money or personal information. These scams take many forms, including scammers offering vaccines, cures, and tests, or posing as a charity or person in need. Remember that any official government organization or legitimate charity will never ask for money or personal information via phone, text, or email. When in doubt, call the organization in question using publicly available contact information to verify the legitimacy of any requests. Copyright scams. You are contacted by a scammer who informs you that something you posted online, such as an Instagram photo or YouTube video, is in violation of copyright law. They will either include a link to a fake DCMA complaint or attempt to get you on the phone with a fake support tech. In either case, the scammer will use a sense of urgency and social engineering tactics to pressure you into revealing sensitive information. A new scam targeting website owners threatens legal action for alleged copyright infringement. The scammer claims they own images displayed on the site and that the site is infringing on their copyright. The scammer instructs victims to click a link where they can see which images supposedly infringe on the scammer's copyright. That link either leads to a phishing site where victims are tricked into handing over money or information, or it downloads malware. Tech support. Tech support claims happen when someone contacts you claiming to be from a well-known technology company and requests remote access to your computer. Sometimes the caller says they have identified the problem and offers to fix your computer for a fee. If you give them access, they may install malicious software to steal your personal or financial information. Other times, the scammer offers a refund for a discounted service or an accidental overcharge. If you give them access to your online banking, they will make it appear as if they are sending you a refund, but they are actually transferring money from your own accounts. Often, the refund is for much more than promised. For example, $10,000 instead of $100. So the scammer makes a plea for you to send the extra money back so they don't lose their job. They may ask you to wire money to a foreign country, purchase gift cards, or mail cash. President's fraud. President's fraud, or fraud by false transfer order, is one of the most vicious frauds targeting businesses. This scam, which is very often used by fraudsters, consists of impersonating the company's manager and contacting a member of the financial section to request an exceptional transfer. Aware of the authority that the president of the structure may have over his collaborators, the fraudster puts his targets under pressure and forces him to send him a certain amount of money, urgently and confidentially. They give him a bank account number to which the transfer should be made. If he is not trained against this type of scam, the contacted employee doesn't ask questions to the one who presents himself as the president. He then complies and sends him the money. Large companies have already fallen victim to fake money transfer fraud. As an illustration, Valorec lost more than 2 million euros in 2013 due to this type of fraud. Wire transfer fraud and other hacking is rising thanks to the increase in remote work. Many people lack sufficient cybersecurity measures at home, putting themselves and their employers at risk. Individuals and businesses should educate themselves about cybersecurity, as well as learn what legal recourse they have in the event of an attack. Let me know if you like this video and want to see more related videos. Take care.